some of you na nag-i-start pa lang sa ganitong business, just focus on growing yourself. Don't focus too much on the goals. Don't focus too much dun sa money because sometimes it will mislead you. Huwag kang mag-focus dun sa pera. Mag-focus ka dun sa growth mo as a person, dun sa growth mo as an entrepreneur. Keep pushing yourself to the limits. So, kailangan lagi ka nag-aaral, dapat may bago ka laging knowledge, experience, and skills. Kung maliit pa ang income mo ngayon, ibig sabihin, kulang ka pa sa knowledge, kulang ka pa sa skills, kulang ka pa sa experience. Lahat ng na-experience ninyo, hindi man bumili yung mga customer ninyo sa inyo, may nag-reject sa inyo, nag-fail kayo, disappoint kayo, lahat yon mga learning experiences yon that you need to cherish. It's all part of the process. Lahat yun kasama. Kasi mas doon tayo natututo, mas doon tayo nag-grow. You can never have $1 million